This protocol provides a better animal model for investigating the effects of the mere presence of a confederate animal on motor performance. This protocol enables us to evaluate the effects of confederate animals on both the speed and accuracy of motor performance of rats in a single experiment.
Before beginning the experiments, mount a 400 Hz, 75 decibel buzzer on the partition of the apparatus, and set up a pellet dispenser for serving a 45 mg reward pellet into a food receptacle on the subject side of the box. On the Confederate side, insert a transparent wall in front of the partition wall that prohibits the Confederate rat from accessing the lever, and tie the proper length of gut to the lever. Connect an appropriate graphic user interface to the apparatus to control the guillotine doors, buzzer, and pellet dispenser, and to obtain the value from the infrared sensors and the switch of the dispenser. Then, set up a 25-liter air compressor for operating the air cylinder and opening the guillotine door, and place a video camera near the partition of the outside of the apparatus. For lever pull action training, place a naive male albino 300 to 350 gram Y-star rat on the start area and present the buzzer tone for 5 seconds before opening the door. When the subject rat pulls down the lever,